Welcome back for another video. It's me, Matthew. It's the weekend, so once again, today's video is going to be a little bit different than the previous week has been. I'm just going to document the process of putting in a new window, fixing the door of my home. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully the video turns out all right. I think it will. I probably got nothing on Bob Vila, but you know, it'll be a fun experience. It'll teach me some new things about video making. It will also be very rewarding because one of the most rewarding things is at the end of the day, looking at a project you finished, you know that you spent your time well and you have something to show for it, which is awesome. Nothing worse than time going by and having nothing to show for it, because time is our most precious commodity. It's all we have as we journey around the cosmos on our giant spinning rock. Chickens are pecking at my legs. Let's get started. There, sir.
Electric planer by DeWalt.
What's it for?
It takes little slivers of wood off, so we'll be able to make the gate that is sticking a tiny bit smaller so it won't stick anymore.
Sounds brutal. Keep it away from my wood. Are those wood chips, sir? No, that's man glitter. What's weird?
The measurement doesn't line up right.
Why?
A million.
Who measured it in the first place?
I measured off the existing instead of the...
Right now, Bill's up there taping the window.
That's right, then we'll be able to primer all this trim.
You want to primer the wood so it doesn't rot.
That's right, and that way we're not doing this again in 6 months. Well, it would take longer than 6 months, but you get the idea.
No one likes to redo their work. All right, that's it for it today. Hope you enjoyed seeing our little project, putting a window in, fixing some doors. That's all I got today. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, do all the things that every content creator asks you to do every time you watch a video here on YouTube. Keep it weird. See you later.